In this video, we are focusing on the unique order of urine in individual disorders. Let's begin with Hawkinsinuria, an uncommon genetic disorder characterized by the accumulation of a substance called Hawkinsin. In the visual cue, you can see a hawk soaring over a swimming pool. This helps you remember the distinct swimming pool-like odor that is present in Hawkinsinuria. Tyrosinemia, an uncommon inherited metabolic disorder that impacts the body's ability to metabolize the amino acid tyrosine. Here is an image of a cabbage growing in a tire. Tire is for tyrosinemia, and the cabbage helps you remember the distinct cabbage-like odor present in these individuals. Multiple carboxylase deficiency can sometimes present with an unusual odor in the urine and often is described similar to the scent of a tomcat. To make it more memorable, you can associate this odor with Tom from Tom and Jerry, which I have used to remind you of the distinct urine odor associated with it. Followed by Phenylketonuria, another rare genetic disorder due to deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase, which is an enzyme responsible for breaking down phenylalanine. From the image, the keyboard gives you a hint of ketonuria, and the cute mouse sitting on the keyboard represents the Mousy order. So remember, phenylketonuria presents with a Mousy urine order. Here we have Trimethylaminuria, also known as Fishy order syndrome, a metabolic disorder in which body is unable to break down trimethylamine, a compound with a strong fishy odor. The three fishes are representing tri from Trimethylaminuria, and they are pointing fingers and are blaming each other, complaining about the fishy odor. Here is an image of 2 feet that are similar, which helps you remember Isovaleric Acidemia, because iso means similar. And the expressions on the feet which everyone makes when they smell sweaty feet. Thus, now it's easy for us to remember that Isovaleric Acidemia presents with sweaty feet odor. Oasthouse syndrome, characterized by methionine malabsorption and dried malt smell of the urine. This visual cue helps us to remember all the above details. The Oasthouse in the image represents the syndrome itself, and we can also see that Jesse Pinkman and Heisenberg from Breaking Bad are sitting with bags filled with meth and a crate of beer, where the meth hints you about methionine malabsorption and the beer hints you about the dried malt. Here is an image of a man urinating in a maple farm to help us remember the specific maple syrup-like smell of the urine in maple syrup urine disease. The amino acids that the body is unable to break down in this disorder are leucine, isoleucine, and valine.